To close a Roth IRA account. The process is relatively easy and quick. First, open the relevant app and click on the profile icon. Before proceeding, it's essential to sell all stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs held in the account, as these cannot be transferred if the account is closed. First, to do this, scroll down, select the relevant stocks or cryptocurrencies, and click on the trade option, followed by the sell option, converting them into the local currency. Once all stocks have been sold, click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select the three-line menu, followed by Transfers, and click on the Transfer Money button. In the Flow option, select the account with available money. Choose the brokerage or spending account, and then select the bank account. If needed, a new bank account can be linked by clicking on the Add Account button. Enter the amount and click on Review to initiate the transfer of money from the account to the bank account. After transferring all available money to the bank account, open the app again. Click on the profile icon, and then the three-line menu. Scroll down to find the support option and click on it. Then select Contact Us 24/7. Choose a topic related to closing the account, and a chat with customer support will be initiated. Inform the support team that the account needs to be closed, and they will provide the necessary steps to complete the process.